Yeah, hi everyone. This is Bitcoin. Let's check out what is going on Bitcoin with my strategy. So, from my okay, so we'll go back to daily time frame. So, if you read my simple trading approach that I listed here, my step one from daily time frame. On daily time frame, I identify my general bias, my range, my zone, and my MMO. MMO is major move objective. My step two, I do the same thing, but on daily time frame it is general. On 4 hours it is current. I stay on 4 hours and trade. So step three, my 30 minutes. So my 30 minutes is for entry, stop loss, and take profit. So on daily time frame, right now the chart is on daily time frame. So let's look at what is going on. So obviously Bitcoin has been trending upward. Okay, this is upward and Bitcoin has been bullish. Okay, that's my first approach. My second approach is this. Okay, my second approach is this. This is a huge structure here. It's a huge structure here. There's another huge structure coming out here. So I place my Fibonacci on both structure. Every other structure inside here are minor structure. This is a major structure here. Major structure here. Every other structure inside are minor. So from there I get my daily range. Okay. From there I get my daily range, which is the general bias. So from there the general bias is bullish. I already said that. So I get my range, my general range here. Okay. Now my range is all of this. My range is all of this. So if I'm going to work on daily time frame, so whatever I'm going to do is going to be within this place. So I don't have business in all of this. I don't have business in all of this. So my concern is within this range. Okay. Now let me take out this. So what next do I have now? The zone. Okay. My first zone here is 618. We will be looking for change of character. Okay. You can see currently market is selling. Which is retracement into daily time frame zone. Okay. So if I'm going to be buying on daily time frame, okay, so I'll be waiting to see change of character. Okay, I'll be waiting to see change of character. Currently market is currently market is selling. Market is selling to the downside, let me see. So we keep waiting, we keep waiting to see what the market will do eventually. So one of the zones I'll be looking for market to reverse is 618. Then apart from 618, then we have a key levels here. It's a level here. Key zones. Okay. So market might reverse from here, from 618, from here. So those are the zones. So I'm done with the zones. Okay. I'm done with the zones on daily time frame. So I'm going to leave all the zone. Okay. Now, so myriad move, MMO. My MMO is this. Okay. From here to here, and I bring it up to here. So myriad move. So in full show, in future, Bitcoin is going to hit 169, 170k. Okay, Bitcoin is going to hit 169, 170k in the future. Bitcoin hitting 169k or 170k. Future. Okay, so that's my prediction. Okay, so right now I'm going to lock all of this in. I'm going to lock all of this. Lock this. Then I lock this. Now I go to 4 hours. So I go to 4 hours, which where the rating will be happening. Okay. Now 4 hours currently is selling. Okay. 4 hours is selling. 4 hours is bearish. So we can see here 4 hours is bearish. It's been bearish. So 4 hours is bearish. So while daily is bullish, 4 hours is bearish. Okay. So I'm going to mark out my 4 hour range. This is my 4 hour range currently. Okay. This is my 4 hour range. So what is happening there right now in my 4 hours range? Okay. Price is buying, is retracing. Price is retracing into 4 hour zone. So price is going to sell zone. Okay. So Bitcoin is going to sell zone. Sell down here. If it is not, then Bitcoin will have to do this. We have to keep Bitcoin will have to keep buying if it's not going to reverse from there. Okay. If Bitcoin is not going to sell, it keep doing this. It keep doing this way. Then it will take out this protected high. Then keep going. Then it will keep going. Okay. But technically on 4 hours, Bitcoin is bearish. Okay. So right now we have this bullish, temporary bullish. This bullish is temporary. Okay. So now this is retracement into 4 hour zone. So one of the 4 hour zone is 618, and the structure. Okay. And this structure behind 618. Okay. So but what is important is actually watching until we have a change of character here. Okay. So keep trading until we have change of character there. So I think that's the best thing. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay. So you never can tell this trend line will be broken. Then the structure, immediate structure there will be broken too. Then we can confirm our change of character. Then we'll start selling. Okay. But before we do that, on 4 hours, so what we only do is confirm the current zone, the current structure we want to trade from. So before we can trade, then we have to jump down to 30 minutes. So far so good from our list of approach. So from my list of approach, okay, from my list of approach, I can find it again. So okay, let me get it from here, from my list of approach here. So for our current buyers range and so on and so forth has been identified. So on 30 minutes right now, I want to identify the entry, at current zone. So since I know what is going on 4 hours, so right now it's just to jump to 30 minutes and see what is going on. So 30 minutes has been buying. So 30 minutes be buying, you know. So you go more network. So 30 minutes has been going, you know. So you see higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So that's 30 minutes for you. So those are the major structures there. So currently now I'm expecting Bitcoin to sell down here before buying. Okay, so that's what you are looking for right now. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. It's sold down. Then the trend line got broken here. Got broken. Structure, immediate structure got broken too. Then we start buying. So now we have a uptrend from there. Now we have this uptrend from there. So here, higher low, higher high, higher low. You know, is refusing to break this high to make a new higher high. You know, so but we work with range. Currently, our current range is not this. So if you're going to enter this trade now, you know, so this is the other block here. So we can enter buy. So we can enter buy from here. Stop loss here. Then our target there. Okay. Our target there. So we can enter buy. So before we enter buy, if we want to wait for change of pattern as well, you know, if eventually the market is turning, it's going to be buying from here. Maybe it's not going to get all this place. But I'm sure the market will get here. We'll get to the other block here. Okay, go to this other block. But if it is not, then market must do this. Market must kick out this current high. Market, you have to do this. You know, this is a current high, current resistance here. Market, you have to take it out. Then we enter here. Then we buy. So thank you once again. So that's what I'm looking at on Bitcoin. So thank you for joining my channel.